Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god, literal crack. Okay. Oh yeah. What the fuck's our intro? What do I forget every time? Hi guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to it. Wait, you should just start it.
No, you go.
Hi guys, welcome back. No, welcome. Fuck this intro.
Welcome to our channel.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
Or welcome back to our channel.
I'm Meg.
And I'm Shay.
So for today's video, one, it's my last day being blonde. Appreciate this shit. Two, we're gonna show you guys how to thrift shop like a pro. We are currently outside of well, my favorite thrift store. Dude, I'm dying. Okay,
I'm the best at thrift shopping, you know. I bought a pair of Tommy Hilfiger pants to change them into shorts. We're gonna see how this goes. It can go one way or the other.
It can go one of two ways.
Yeah. Look, this would be cute.
That would be really cute. Even for you, if you did that tie the knot thing, well, see, pair of blue jeans.
That's cute, but I don't know. Megan almost just hit a grandma. Oh. Hey, sir.
We can clickbait people now.
Yeah, almost got a car accident. I didn't even get it though, fuck.
Clearly, almost just don't tell my mom.
Yeah, she doesn't watch our videos or anything.
Oh my god.
I thought he was gonna stop.
I thought he was too! That's why I was like, hello! Like, what the fuck?
I'm sweaty as fuck. She acts like my hair is dirty. It's not. My hair is rather clean. I just showered this morning.
Wow, good to know that you use hygiene, you know?
Hello! Okay. So we're gonna show you guys what we bought from the thrift store. Meg is gonna tell her tricks on what to do because she's the pro. She literally could just look and then all of a sudden like just find the best thing in the store, and I have to go boop boop. Nope, nothing.
I think it's just because like I don't really care. Like if it's ugly, I need it. I love old weird looking things, and that's I think my trick.
Ah.
Find the beauty in odd things, you know?
I'll just go back and forth until we're done. But she has a lot more items than I do.
Because I went crazy.
Yes.
And I spent $55.
I spent $31.50.
And we're probably gonna go back on Saturday because they have a 50% off everything.
I got something yellow, shocker, you know. I got this big yellow t-shirt, so you can wear it as a t-shirt dress. You can tie it up. You can crop it. But yeah, it's just very simple, cute, and this was $5, I'm pretty sure, $4.50, one of those.
So basically all the shirts and everything that we bought was like from the guys section, because that is my only trick, is to go to the guys section, because what Shirley said, they have name brands.
And it actually is cheaper. This would be like $10 in the girls section. Okay,
it would have been like $7, but okay.
Yeah, but still.
The next thing after that was this XL Minnesota t-shirt that I bought. I found that. Yes, Shaylee found this for me.
Megan found all that for me.
I literally found all of Shaylee's, and I think Shaylee found all of mine. I don't know, the
maroon
like the colors
and
yellow.
Together, yeah.
You can't even see that. The maroon and yellow.
It's Essentials color. My high school colors.
It's my grade school color.
Oh.
Colors. Multiple colors. No, I don't know. I like the whole gray with the maroon and the, I don't know. It's a good ass aesthetic that I'll turn probably into a crop top.
that on.
Love it. It's
We
so
literally,
pretty.
oh my god, this is so random. Okay, you showed yellow first, and then I showed yellow first, and now you're showing gray, and I'm showing yellow.
Wow.
Wow, opposites.
Wow. This is Calvin Klein. But look, it's literally a t-shirt dress. Like what? Like what? I love
Like
it.
it's a little short.
It's so, yeah, but you wear this with some shorts underneath, like it's cute.
My next one is just plain yellow. Whoops, I almost punched you in the head, sorry.
Megan found this for me. Las Vegas. Las Vegas. It's like a cute
It's
shirt
like
to
a
wear with, like,
vacation dad shirt.
Yeah.
Like, went to Las Vegas and picked it up in the airport,
Yeah.
but didn't actually, like, stay in Las Vegas.
yeah, it's just cute. This is Calvin Klein.
Why is everything we bought like Calvin Klein or like
It's-
Tommy Hilfiger?
Because it's the best brand.
we didn't buy anything else.
But this would be cute in like the fall, not really the summer because it's too hot. But yeah, this is just cute and simple and really,
That's a long ass tag.
yeah.
Look at.
It's really nice. I'm gonna rip it off. But yeah, that's what I got. This was probably $6, I think, which is not bad. That's probably like $100 in store, or like 70.
The next thing I found was also Tommy, and it's so grandpa-ish. Like, sorry, mom.
Sorry, Mom.
It is this like turtleneck grandpa sweater that's gray on top and blue on the bottom. I actually think my grandfather owns this. Not even kidding. So my
She picked
first
up really
pair-
nice jeans.
My first pair I picked up with these really, really ripped jeans. I don't really know. I'm probably gonna turn them into shorts. But they have like these really cute rips on the side, which I didn't notice actually when I was like looking at them. But they'll be really cute when I turn them into booty shorts.
These jeans are kind of weird, but
I
cute.
like them.
They're like, they have like an elastic kind of waistband. And they're just simple. They're not a name brand. I don't know what this is.
Alia?
Yeah. They're just simple. These would be cute as shorts because they have really deep, not really deep tuck pockets, but they're really cute. And I love them.
Okay. I haven't even said anything. Shirley's already pissed. Okay, I found the best thrift of my entire life. I found OG Calvin Klein jeans that I'm going to turn into shorts. Like, OG Calvin Klein. Like, I'm so in love with these.
Like these would be cute as jeans. And imagine if you cut them into shorts.
Oh my god.
Imagine cutting them into shorts, like putting like rips on them and, oh.
Yeah, I wanted a pair of sunglasses, but when I picked them up and they had hair on them.
Yeah.
That was the grossest fucking thing I've ever seen. Ugh.
Like they could be ugly, but you can modernize it in a way. But yeah.
Oh, I didn't think that was a word for a second. Modernize?
Modernize?
Modernize.
Modernize?
Modernize?
Anyways.
Modernize. Okay.
You can make them.
Are you gonna say anything?
I don't know where to start. Like I tried to say something, but you like to judge me, so you can take care of this. Go ahead. Go.
Okay, if you want to give the video, I can't do the outro. Do it with me.
No.
Please.
No.
I'm sorry.
If you guys want to tune in next week, we're probably going to DIY all of these items. So you guys can check that out. If you guys want to get notified when we do post that video, click the bell to get notified. Subscribe down below so you guys can be a part of the family.
Click the bell so you can be notified when we post because our posting is random. We never know when we're posting. Because we're so busy, we don't have time for each other.
He's adding that right at me. Yeah. Hope you guys like this video and yeah, we'll see you soon. Bye.